Hello, welcome to another Docu-Gen tutorial. This is going to go over a newly added feature, which is just templates here. So far, I only have one template, which is the resume template, but I will add more later. Probably will add like a D&D character creator and whatever else is requested, I guess. But yeah, we'll start with this. So the resume template I have up right now is the one I built for myself, and I just kind of extracted all of my own information, removed it, and then just added in some placeholders here. So to change it, you just want to go into whichever column, either the left or the right, and then expand it by clicking this guy right here. And then you can go in and start changing the text and adding in your own SVGs and stuff. So as an example, if you wanted to add your own SVG in here, you'd click here, and then you'd click on SVG, and then you would upload your own SVG there. If you're not familiar with SVGs, by the way, it's actually pretty easy to go and like turn like a normal image into an SVG, but it should be basically like a lined image. It shouldn't really be like a photograph. Those don't do well on SVGs, but something like this that looks like an icon works great. So as an example of what this looks like, we can just use one of these that's already here. You click this, and there it is. And if we click on SVG editor, we can change the color and yeah, like this. And then we would hit apply and that would change the color. I'm not going to because I want to keep it like this right here because this SVG is actually for this one too. Um, so let's say that you didn't have an SVG or you don't want one or whatever, then you can just delete this row. And you can also add your own thing above that by clicking the left column, click add a row or column, whichever direction you want it to be in. And then you can move this thing by clicking the right or left arrow and that'll move it in the document flow. As an example here, if we add text, let's make this John Smith, and you'll see it right there. If we move this by clicking the arrow, let's see, I'm sorry, we need to click here instead. Then you'll see it's on the bottom of the left column now. Whereas if we go like, move it one more this way, then we can just kind of move it through the document. So of course we probably would want that at the top. And let's just go ahead and center this one. So we're going to create a, let's see, header left column style here. And what we want is, in order to actually center text, you do need to have the width to be maxed. So we're going to do percent max on the width, and then we're going to go to text, spacing, alignment, center, and then we're going to go to margin and padding. We're going to link top and bottom so we can get those at the same time, and we're just going to punch up the padding there. And let's also do text font size. Let's punch that up to like 20 as well. And there you go. There's like at least something that resembles something you might have there, I guess. Okay, so back to the tree map. Here's how we would go ahead and just edit like text. You go to anything that says text here. And yeah, we can just change this. So this would be, John Smith at example.com. Shift enter to quickly input that. Or if you want, you can also click done when you're done editing. And then, you'd change your phone number here and your website URL here and so on. So all that should be pretty self-explanatory. And then when you're done with the left column, you can minimize it and go on to your right like this and change everything in there. And then if you want to change styles or whatever, that's pretty easy. There's quite a few on this because I was kind of, experimenting as I was making my own resume, but you can go to the style editor and any of these that you see, you can change. So for example, this left column, we should see somewhere here, left column section, there should be a background color in here. Font title, let's see, it's not that. Left column, there we go. So just the left column. Let's say that you wanted to do a different color here. So you can go to color, and then you'll notice that we actually have the slate 900 for the background, and we have the slate 50 for the text. But let's say you just wanted like a stone, for example. You can do that, and then maybe try 50 stone for the text. And then you'll notice we also have this that's staying the same. That's because that is another section there. So let's go look at it. That is also in the style editor. And if we look at this, this is actually I think I called it like the odd section or something. I'm just going to control F, right? And there it is, odd section. And let's do color. And let's do stone. And let's just do like a lighter stone. Let's do a little darker. And yeah, all right, so that kind of works. So that's how you would change the color of the left column, and you can also do that with all the text and stuff. But yeah, I hope this helps someone. I felt like these were maybe a nicer way to get a quick resume than, you know, starting from scratch. So yeah, hope it helps. And if you try this out, let me know what you think.